today. I hope you're doing fantastic. I'm doing just fine. My name is Faiza and I do easy home recipes on this YouTube channel. So if you're new, please feel welcome. Remember to subscribe, and if you're coming back, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. So today, guys, we're going to the market to do some grocery shopping for some amazing recipes coming this week. So come with me to the market. So guys, this is our crew for the day. Our cameraman, say hi.
Hi guys, I'm back again. So it's your errand boy, cameraman, and everything included, boy child. But we love you. Kindly share, subscribe, and comment.
Subscribe,
And Esther also is joining us for the market errand. It's going to be amazing.
All right, so let's do it.
See you at the market.
Okay.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around.
Let's go into the market now.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets.
Thank you, Nabeba hivi. I love my fruits organized.
From London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Naweza ekelea hii hapa. The ripe nyanya and the unripe nyanya. Give them time siharibike in the process. For those 2 weeks, some 3 weeks itakuwa nazo. But for today I'm going to pick ripe nyanyas. I feel like nikiziweka vizuri, nizioshe vizuri, zidry, niziweke kwa fridge, then be okay. I don't need kuziweka nje ziive. That's why wakati nachukua bulk ile kabisa, that's when I mix ripe and unripe. But for today, ripe peke yake. I'll go for your story. For sure.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Later, we decided to pass by the supermarket, and that is Quickmart, to grab some spices, and that included biryani masala because we do have amazing recipes coming this week, and that includes chicken biryani. Yeah, so also I had to add some more other dry spices, yeah, from the shelves. Yes, because I had also run out of several. Yeah. And of course some plain yogurt, yes, for the chicken biryani coming up this week. Hey guys, we're back from the market with our grocery items. Today, according to my experience, today things were some items were a bit cheaper than the last haul. Yes, so we begin with the items. So what we have here is the first item is onions. Yeah, we do have minji. This minji last time it was going for around, how much was it? I can't even remember. But yes, for the yes, today it was at 150 shillings. Yeah. What else do we have in stock?
We have coriander.
We have coriander. That is dania. Tomatoes. We have pawpaw and some oranges. We have green pepper, hohos, each was going for 10 shillings.
We have
Cucumbers each for 20 shillings. You have chicken.
Yeah, we have chicken, Kienyeji chicken.
Yeah, as you've seen now in the previous clip.
Yeah, you can see it. It's yellow in color. Kienyeji, pure Kienyeji chicken.
Yes, and the way to know pure Kienyeji chicken, guys, the way to know your pure Kienyeji chicken, did I say kitchen? Okay, we're in the kitchen. Pure Kienyeji chicken, the legs of the chicken should be yellow or almost white.
Yellow,
not white. So whenever you're going to choose your chicken, please do not look at any other thing. Check on the skin. Sukuma hizo feathers, angalia hapo kabisa, ikuwe yellowish kidogo hivi, na miguu ya kuku should be yellow. Hiyo ndio kienyeji. Otherwise unaweza pewa broiler na unajua ni kienyeji. We have some eggs.
We have some eggs for
a recipe we are doing. Yeah.
We have ripe bananas for juice.
Yeah, ripe bananas. Over here. This one one was going for mommy. One was going for three for 25. Yes. Now avocados. We got some amazing avocados. These avocados, mostly we say they're from Kisii. Our avocados are amazing. Very nice. Just look at that avocado. Imagine for 20 shillings. 20 bob. And we decided to mix some.
You can just see the shape.
And they're good. We cut one already. and it's really good. We got some ndumas
For breakfast.
Yeah, we do. Okay, I can put it here. We do have some other dry items that we got from the supermarket. So guys, we're going to do a recipe, and we decided to pass by the supermarket, as you've seen. So we have some ingredients. Yeah, that is biryani masala. This one you can find it at Quickmart. Yeah, on that is where they pima the items. When you wanna pima, si pale kwa shelf. Kwa shelf you can get, but si rahisi. Actually, we're going to do a biryani recipe. That is why I had to go for this specifically.
And we have breadcrumbs.
Breadcrumbs. KFC chicken loading. Yeah, KFC chicken actually, and I mean it, loading. This is food color for our biryani. We do have our plain yogurt, as you saw. Yeah, this one, plain yogurt. Yeah, and those other items,
These are just sauce.
yeah, we had already started to put them away. Yeah, so the mohos, this one was for 320. Yeah.
Okay.
And we do have our
We have some potatoes here. Mikebe mbili at
Yes.
150 each.
so 300 for zile kasuku ile kasuku inakuanga ya 250. Sasa kwetu imeshuka ni 150. So we keep 2. Yeah. And did we say this?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's it for the market haul, guys. Please guys, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please
Turn on the
please.
notification bell for the next recipe.
Yeah, which will come after this video. Yes, like this video, subscribe, and keep watching, share. So Esther, how did you see our market?
The market is so good. It has cheap things. It has many things. You can just shop something for a whole month because it has everything, like totally everything, and it's so competitive. Hence, many things are cheaper.
Yeah. Yeah, so you saw in the other clip our tomatoes were for 420, 4 of them for 20 shillings. Our onions are the ones that were vitunguu ziko juu 10 bob each. Na hii biryani yangu itameza kama yote.
Kuku nayo, the best
Chicken.
to buy.
How much do you buy the Kienyeji chicken at your place?
We get at some start from 1500, 17, 2000 to some people sell at 2500.
2k. Mimi sijawahi nunua kuku 2k.
But
I
here,
only-
guys, 1500.
1500.
Chicken. Wait. Hata mnaweza ona this is
Angalia
just
tu.
one chicken but iko full.
One, and this one was actually for 1100.
It was just for it was for 1100.
Yes,
not
not 1500. This was for 1100. And ni mzito. You can't compare kwa butchery. You can't compare in any other place.
Msiogope kwenda place wanachinja kuku. Just have
go
fresh chicken.
Yeah, and you can choose. I love doing it that way. I love going to the place, nachagua kuku, naangalia mguu kama ni kienyeji, then I choose, nachinjiwa nikiangalia. Actually it's because singewaonyesha pale kwenye wanachinja, ingekuwa gross. Yeah, na kwenye wanakatakata. So wanakuchinjia na katakata for 50 shillings.
And they wash it very well.
Very well, ukiona running water. Our market is clean. Kuna wenye wanaweza ona hapo kwa video, or they can tell ni wapi. If you wish to know ni wapi, ukuje shopping market yetu, comment down below. Nitakwambia ni wapi. Yeah, so Esther, in general unaonaje iko aje?
Naona hii market ilikuwa poa. I enjoyed it. In fact, nitakuwa nakuja nikishop hapa some things, some groceries. Yeah, some cookies kwanza na shop. Nitakuwa naambia Faiza na shop aneka
kwa gari na
kutumashia
kama package.
Yeah, alafu naeka kwa fridge. Month iko sote. Nitakuwa nakula piece moja.
Sawa guys. Guys, mwambie wa subscribe.
Subscribe guys. subscribe, share. Ambia friends wako subscribe. More things are coming.
Yeah.
Sasa tutakuwa consistent. Sorry tumekuwa up and down kidogo. Hatujakuwa tunatuma video. But from now henceforth anatoka hapa anakuja huko. So tutakuwa tunaendelea tukituma.
So kutakuwa na videos more. Please guys, subscribe, like this video. Kama umewatch to the end, give it a like. Hapo chini, it's for free. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
Bye people, share, like, subscribe. Alafu comment, mention your star.
Na wangu pia mnasema. Okay guys, bye.